What's up? Hey, this tutorial is to tell you how to add the motorcycle rides and events calendar to your cell phone or device. It's really pretty simple and it can be on there full time. So let's get down to it. All right, adding the rides and events calendar to your iPhone or device. Here we go, man. So you get on Great Motorcycle Rides here on Facebook, Great Motorcycle Rides Washington, that is. You're going to scroll on down till you find the place where I say that, hey, we've updated the rides and events calendar right here. Right here where it says see more, the writing at the top. Go ahead and click that. And these two blue hyperlinks appear. The top hyperlink is will take you to the calendar, or if you have a device other than an iPhone, you know, whatever it may be, Android or whatever, that's the link you use to add the calendar. If you have an iPhone or an Apple device, you're going to use this second link down here, the blue link. You're going to just hold on it. You'll feel your phone bump. It says copy. And we don't want to go to it. We want to copy it. There we go. Click copy. Then you get out of Facebook entirely. Just totally get out of Facebook. Go to your calendar on your phone. Bring up your calendar. And down at the very bottom of the screen down there, when you're looking at your month view, you'll see where it says calendars. Go ahead and hit that. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Look at that, fat thumbs. Hit calendars, and it brings up this page. When you get to this page, and down on the very bottom corner down here, you're going to see where it says add calendar. Go ahead and hit that. And then this little window pops up. You're going to hit where it says add subscription calendar. And this page pops up. Right here where it says subscription URL. Click in that box. Hit paste. There's the link there. And then you just click subscribe. And that's it. You're done, man. The Great Motorcycle Rides calendar is added to your phone. The cool part about it, all these events that you see, when you get to one of them, that specific day, a lot of times your phone will send you little notifications. You know, hey, bike night, the CVMA, happening at 5 o'clock tonight. Traffic's light. If you leave in a half hour, you can get there. Stuff like that. It's really a cool way to have it added onto your calendar. You can look at it anytime, online or off. Check all the events. Check the links to the events. Pull up the flyers. All kinds of stuff. There's the flyer for that one. Yeah, it's just a very useful tool to have on your phone. Hopefully that'll work out for you. If it doesn't, maybe you get someone to help you with it. Or if you run into me at one of our events anywhere, I'll be glad to help you out with it. That's what I got. Thanks, man.